Hi everybody. Today we will learn how to file a complaint in SEBI, the Security Exchange Board of India. Now, let us go through the video. Today we are going to discuss about the grievance redressal mechanism SCORS. SEBI Complaint Redressal System. SEBI launched a centralized web-based complaints redressal system SCORS. The purpose of SCORS is to provide a platform for aggrieved investors whose grievances pertaining to securities market remain unresolved by the concerned listed company or registered intermediary after being approached directly. Whenever an individual entity faces an issue, he or she has to first contact his or her company, exchange, or broker for filing his complaint. If he is not satisfied with the resolution provided to him, then he can directly file his complaint on SCORS. For filing a complaint on SCORS, you will have to access the following web page: scors.gov.in. If you already have a username and password, then click on the register or login to lodge complaints. If you are a first-time user, then click on register here under title not registered yet and enter your personal details such as name, address and mobile number. Then you will have to select a category among the following options: listed companies or register and transfer agents, brokers or stock exchanges, depository participants or depository, mutual funds or other entities, and information to SEBI. Now you should enter specific details of the complaint in the specific category. Once the data is entered in all the headings, you file your complaint by confirming the same. The complaint is then examined by SEBI to see if the subject falls under its purview. If it does, SEBI forwards it to the concerned entity with an advice to send a written reply to the investor and file an action taken report in 30 days. Supporting documents. Supporting documents up to 2 MB can be attached in the PDF format. In case the data to be loaded for each category is more than 2 MB, it can be sent by post to any SEBI office. Registration number. On filing the complaint, a unique registration number will be generated, which can be used for future communication. An email with the complaint registration number will also be sent to the email ID added in the complaint registration form. You can check your complaint status by logging into your account. In case of physical complaints sent to SEBI, enter the password sent to you by SEBI in the acknowledgement letter. Before using SCORS, you should try to contact the person or company that is the cause of your complaint. You might be able to resolve your problem more quickly by speaking to them directly rather than waiting for a response to your complaint. Matters that are not considered as complaints in SCORS. Complaints that are incomplete or not specific. allegations without supporting documents, offering suggestions or seeking guidance or explanation, seeking explanation for non-trading of shares or illiquidity of shares, not satisfied with trading price of the shares of the companies, non-listing of shares or private offer, disputes arising out of private agreement with companies. Hope this video will help you to understand how to put your grievance in score. Thank you.